Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video because I was having a problem. One of my apps stopped working with the new iOS update. So what I did was look on YouTube for answers. But this is what I found out. Okay, so you go to Finder and go into Applications. You find the one that wasn't working. In my case, it was Motion. So now it is working. But I went up here to the search, hit search, and print terminal, hit enter, and then I typed in xattr space hyphen cr space, and then I took my app and dragged it over here and then hit enter, and then that came up. As soon as that comes up, then you need to X out of this and close it before you open this, and then you press that and it works. That's it.